If you want to be a full-time DJ, this is how I did it. I started using Bloom probably around a year and a half ago, almost 2 years. And since the moment I launched my website and I include Bloom, I'm gonna put it like this. I was having a part-time job at the moment, and I was just doing the DJ kind of on the side. After I did Bloom, it became so busy and I have so many leads. I have so many bookings, and it was so easy and straightforward on the process that I literally quit my other job, and I was like, okay, this is it. I'm gonna do this full time, because once you have a platform like Bloom into your business, you pass to be like an amateur on whatever you're doing to actually be a pro. You know, this is like, people's gonna take you really seriously. One of the best tools that Bloom has provided me is been the booking forms. It literally only takes 27 seconds for people to go to my website and do an inquiry to book me. You literally don't need nothing else. You might gonna need a manager in the future, but like, I think this thing manages everything for yourself. You have the templates, you got the whole system in it. It's so automated, so easy. I love it. The booking forms, the retainers, and the whole even payment system was like really easy, because you have like so many options. I can filter what the customer wants based on their needs, you know? So I created a booking forms with different questions, like, oh, when's your event? How many people it's gonna come? You know, like, do you need me to like dress up for a certain occasion? Do you need music equipment? Do you need to rent like a DJ board? Do you need speakers? Do you need subs? Do you need microphones? You know, or how big is the venue? From the booking process to the payment, it's so easy and so straightforward that sometimes I just send a quote, and literally 5 minutes they already send the money, or they already paid. So hey, we're booked. Here we go. So hey, if you're trying to step up your game in this business, you have to try Bloom. They have all the tools you need to manage your business like a professional. Go to bloom.io and get you 2 months free now.